Hello, Melanie here at Bell Camper Sales in Bartlesville, Oklahoma. Today I'm going to share with you one of our little arrivals here. This is a 2022 KZ Sportsman. This is a 180 floor plan bunkhouse. This little guy can sleep a family of 5, weighs in at about 2,800 pounds, so very easy tow for those half-ton SUVs or even Jeeps right now. So if you're looking to get out, then this definitely would help your family get out to the parks. We're going to take a quick tour on the inside, so that will be our next stop. Okay, again, this is a 2022 KZ Sportsman. This is their 180 model. 21 feet is your length, about 2860 is your unloaded vehicle weight. It has all the amenities you need. There's a queen size bed up front, which is the open floor plan, and we will have a round view of what that looks like in a moment. You do have some bunks back here. Now these bunks will support up to 250 pounds, so even if you have adults camping with you, there is still a 6-foot bed back here for somebody to sleep in, top and bottom. Windows on both, so it doesn't feel so enclosed back there. You do have a nice functioning kitchen for a 21-foot camper. A lot of counter space here for prepping your food, and a big enough sink to wash some dishes there. A lot of counter space or cabinet space right there below the sink. That's all open with shelf. And then you do have a 2-burner cook stove as well. Microwave up top with some more overhead storage here. And your audio system is a Furrion already installed with speakers already inside and outside under that power awning. So you can definitely extend your entertaining outside. Now, one of the most popular features that's come along in the last couple of years of the RV industry is changing out from those gas and electric refrigerators to these 12-volt refrigerators, which then give you a much deeper space for storing your food. It'll stay cool as long as the battery up front is charged and you're driving down the road, so no more having to pack your food into an ice chest and then into the refrigerator. It can go directly in here, stay cold while you're traveling, and be ready for you when you get to your destination. You also have a dinette booth in this one. It is a single booth, but they have given you a lot of room here to slide in and still feel comfortable at the table. This can make out into an additional sleeping spot. The reason why this can sleep about 5 people is that this table drops down and also becomes a sleeping area too. So if you are in the market for a small little camper and that has everything that you need, including a wonderful bathroom back there, which we'll also have a tour of. AC is 15,000 BTU, so it'll definitely keep this place cooled off even this Oklahoma heat. So I hope you come and see us here at Bell Camper Sales in Bartlesville. My name is Melanie. Next will be a quick tour of the rest of the inside of this little camper. If you have any questions or want to come and see it, please come on over to Bell Camper Sales. We'd have to be happy to get you camping.